Okay, let's talk about what's in the box. The Eureka Phobe Atom Vacuum comes with a floor brush, a crevice nozzle, and a round brush, and 7 attachments. Basically, every tool you need to tackle chaos in style. Now, for the fun part, how it works. Use it as a handheld for sofas, cars, and corners, or switch it to stick mode for quick full house clean like your windows, corners, curtains. With 12,000 PA suction power, it literally sucks up everything. Dust, crumbs and kid-sized disaster. The washable filter make it easy to use. It is light, compact and so easy to carry around. A total mom lifesaver. For its size and price, this vacuum seriously delivers.